this video here, we have already started, but we replaced all this fence here. I got half of it on video. Jacob's on the other side. He's gonna climb back over, and we've already got to here, and I time-lapsed all this. I'm gonna video us putting this post in, but basically I had a fence put in at my house. If I knew it was this easy, I would have done it myself. But so basically this project for this week was me and Jacob coming after work 2 hours a day, replacing all these boards on this fence. Pretty easy, nothing crazy. When he comes around, we're gonna finish this up. I'll record it, and then I'll time-lapse this, and then we'll be done. I think it was like 210 feet of board. It's crazy. There's a huge pile of lumber here, and there's basically like nothing left now. So, and we hauled off all the old, so you'll get to see him tear some of it off. We put it all in the trailer, and we hauled it to a dumpster. So, but stay tuned. You'll get to see the time lapse real quick, and we'll get to it.